Where are we?
At the Dollar Tree.
We're going to do a little shop with me at the Dollar Tree.
And I'm going to get some mold and one different thing. If I don't get it in 4 seconds.
Yes, Carter is looking for molds to do some crafting with, and I am looking for some neutral type fall decor, and we're doing kind of just a general shop with me at Dollar Tree, right? What? Oh, we got a leaf, and it's crunchy. Fall, and your outdoor leaves become your indoor leaves. You want to hold it?
It's a big one. I always give it when I go on the bus.
Yes, he does give me leaves when he goes on the bus.
Only on fall. And I get pine cones.
In the winter, yeah.
In the winter.
Say, come shop with us.
Come shop with us.
Gonna get close to Christmas. Look at these guys. All right. We picked too much. You think? I don't know what happened. I think Carter bought a whole lot of stuff.
No, you bought us a lot too.
You bought a lot.
And you.
Who bought the most?
You.
It might have been me. Yes. Do you remember how many bags we had?
5.
5 whole bags. We spent $66. But it's been a while since we've been to Dollar Tree, so we got a lot of stuff that we needed and a lot of stuff that we didn't need but we wanted, so it was okay. Did you have fun? Thanks for shopping with me. Can I get a high five?
Daddy, Mom.
What?
What if the dollar store when is the dollar store gonna like close?
Forever?
Yeah, that's gonna be bad.
Oh, it's not gonna close. It's good. We're good. Right?
It's gonna close.
All right. Maybe I'll put a haul video together for you guys and let you know what we got. But we did a lot of shopping. I got a lot of stuff for Christmas gifts and a lot of stuff for Christmas and what else? Yeah, at home we'll do a haul video. And we got a lot of stuff for Halloween. And I didn't find a lot of neutral fall decor, but I got a couple things that I liked. So I'll make sure to show you guys all. Say bye.
Bye. Hey guys, we have all this Dollar Tree stuff as you saw, and then there's a lot.
Carter thought it would be fun if we did show you guys what we got and
then
piles, right?
Yeah, and then we see who got the most things.
Is it you? Is it me or is it you? It was you. One thing that I got was this fabric spray,
This is mine.
kind of for the house.
This is
Carter got some bath bombs. Uh-oh.
got some bath bombs.
Yep. Hold on. Lawnmower. Carter got some bath bombs. I got some of these to clean up my Invisalign. That shouldn't count if I had to buy some for.
Oh,
Carter picked this out. He wants to put it on a chicken coop. I thought that would be cute. So this is yours, so you can pick it out.
oh yeah.
Yeah. But I picked this one out for my tier tray. It says, "Our nest is the best." I thought it was cute.
And I got chapstick.
Yeah.
Cocoa Puffs.
Carter actually got 2 chapsticks. One got opened in the car.
Right here.
Yep.
It's fruit.
Alright. Also, I got 2 books. These are going to be for a book DIY. And Carter got Band-Aids. We got 2 packs.
And we got all the Paw Patrols.
Yes. 1,
2,
3, 4, 5,
6.
6. So he got every one of those.
Oh,
I
no. I got this for me.
yeah, you got all of those.
And I got a fan for school when I'm hot.
He wanted to get a fan because he's hot at recess. I got one of these for Aaron because Ayla has one that is dark because Ayla has dark hair, but Aaron has blonde hair. So I got the blonde one for
And I got
her.
toothpaste.
Toothpaste, kid toothpaste. I also got some hair bands for the girls. I get these a lot whenever I'm there. I got these scrubby things. I got these because they're good for your face, to exfoliate your face, but I also saw that they're really good at cleaning makeup brushes, and I'm pretty sure they do. They have like a suction cup on the back so you can stick them like on your mirror or on your shower.
Oh,
So I got these,
good job.
and I got the girls some headbands for school.
And we got a piggy bank for me because
Yes,
Mine's
Carter's got a piggy. It's actually really cute. Look at it. It says Adventure Awaits. So it
we
kind of
got
goes
a
with their.
ladybug dress.
That's a surprise. I got the girls a lot of dress-up stuff, but they're for Christmas. So we got the ladybug.
We got unicorn.
So our camera died, so we had to do a little reset. So we're a little bit different. But go ahead.
And we got a unicorn.
Another unicorn costume. And we got a bumblebee costume. So the girls will have like kind of like a dress-up little kit for Christmas from the Dollar Tree. So that was
And
cool.
we got a lot of purses at Bonbon.
Yes, I did. I just thought these were really cute for teacher gifts, so I bought one for all of our teachers. So these are also for Christmas.
And we got a biking towel that says,
I really love you. I got this for Corey for Christmas because he's a cyclist, and I thought it was just really cute with the bike on it.
And we got these Christmas ornament things.
Yes, I got these again for another DIY for Christmas time. I just thought they were really cute and they're nice and flat. So hopefully I can personalize them. I got 3 of the circles and 3 of the stars for
And we got dog
our
bowls.
family. Yeah, I did. I got new dog bowls just because we have like obnoxious red plastic dog bowls right now. And I thought
What is that?
those looked a little nicer. That was me. I did the dog bowls.
Yeah, this is all yours. So that is yours.
Oh no. Are you eating? Yeah.
I picked up this.
Who's
The
that
doggy
for?
score.
Yes, for our puppy. And we got a couple things
I
for
picked up
Halloween.
these.
Yes,
picked up these.
we're going to decorate our.
Oh, and I picked out some molds so I can melt crowns and make new crowns.
Wait, did this get ripped open? When did you even get these? I guess you got some of these. I don't even know what you got. Oh, yeah, that was
Yeah, we got some 3 slime for all our kids.
3 slimes.
So I
Yeah.
can pick some of them.
Yeah,
And
so this is a little thing of slimes, and there's 4 of them, and there's 4 kids, so I let Carter get some share with everybody?
I bought all of these molds. I bought person bodies,
Skeleton.
pumpkins, and
And Dracula teeth, and you want to make crowns with those, so maybe we'll melt some crowns.
you got.
I did. I got the pumpkin. This is again for another DIY. I think you're
I
gonna
got some eyes,
do. Here, yeah, we got 2 sets of eyes.
2 sets of eyes.
Put in our bushes.
We got some sticky things.
We got some of those sticky things.
Okay,
So we counted halfway through when our camera died, and Carter was losing. He had 16 things, and I had 9 things. So we're going to count them up again really quickly and see who spent the most money at Dollar Tree.
yep. And who liked the Dollar Tree the most?
Well, who likes the Dollar Tree the most? That's me.
No. Whoever gets the most stuff gets likes the Dollar
Oh.
Trees.
Oh,
most.
so you
That's
get
all
a
your
prize
stuff.
either
This
way.
is all your stuff.
You get a prize. All right, so let's count. Oh yeah, I'll count that stuff. Okay. Oh, I found another bag. Hold on. Oh, these were some.
Those are all yours.
We got 2 of these. They are kid. Wait, how are these mine? They're for kids. Mouthwash. I thought kids could do a taste test and see which one they like better for $1. Thought it was a pretty good deal. All right, kid mouthwash. How about one for you and one for me?
Yeah.
All right, and then oh,
Wait, Mom. You think? Mom.
ding dong, ding dong. All right, we're gonna count. Okay, you have 28 things.
28.
I have. Are you ready, Carter?
Yeah.
27 things.
28. Who likes the Dollar Tree most?
Come here.
Who likes the
I
Dollar
had
Tree?
27 things and you had 28 things, but I did not count the costumes. If I count the costumes, then I had more. So if we don't count the costumes, you like the Dollar Store more. You spend more money. But if we do count the costumes, I like them more.
Aww.
It's kind of a tie though, because if we don't count the Christmas costumes, the costumes for their Christmas gifts,
Then
kind of the same.
it's kind of, but I still like the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
But you really like it.
I think it might be a tie. Can I have a hug?
Yeah, it's kind of in the side. Like that.
Can I have a hug? I
Yeah.
had fun shopping with
Yes.
you. We had a good time. We got a lot of stuff that we needed and a lot of stuff that we didn't need but we wanted. So,
Bye.
bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big
Thumbs up.
thumbs up.
And
Tap.
hit that bell.
Yeah, dude, you got this. Hit that bell. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.
No, hit the bell and then you play Minecraft. And then record it when I play Minecraft and I hit the bell.
Hit the bell. Ding.